back to number 74 in the 101 side hustles that you can start in 2020. This one is creating how-to videos. Now, there's going to be a lot of companies out there that will want explainer videos made. Of course, you can go on and do them. There's plenty of software out there that will do whiteboard videos and things like that. But short of putting together a course structure, there's a simple way that you can do it, and rather than just standing in front of camera and explaining from beginning to end, you can it's better to break it up and put call to actions in between. Let me show you what I mean here. So there's a fairly simple funnel. It's just a 2-page funnel. Of course, we've got our opt-in page, which is very important. A split test opt-in page. One of them's got a video, welcoming what it is all about, and the other's just an opt-in page. And as you can see, the one with the video is far better. It's doing far better. But after you have an opt-in page, it's just the tutorial page, and this is just a broken up series of videos, and it gives people a chance to catch up, rather than pause videos and come back later and stuff like that. Let me just show it to you. It gives people a step-by-step, so they can go away, they can follow step 1, stop, regroup, do what you asked, and then follow on with the training. It's just proven to be a far better way to sort of do an explainer video or a set of training, if you like. So this is just page 1, gives you an overview, very simple. This is how it's going to work. Okay, great. A couple of call to actions. Hey, join the Facebook, join the YouTube channel. This is just, again, an overall from somebody else's perspective. And then we get into step 1. And it's a video on, okay, here's step 1. This is what we have to do. And then at the bottom of that, it's got a call to action. So people can follow through that. There's a bit of information, and they'll go and do what you ask. And then when they're ready, okay, now that you're ready, let's jump into step 2. Okay, you've done that. Now we do this. And again, let's go ahead and do that. There's our call to action. Step 3. And you can just add however many to get the training done. But rather than just one single video from beginning to end where people get lost or they click off or they don't understand, and then they'll just get the shits and close it down. So that's just an example. Single, short, easy to understand videos, and then a simple call to action underneath. This has got 5 or 6 steps, pretty simple. Some other optional sort of videos just to give a bit of context to it. Again, call to action. And then some bonuses. Now they've completed the training. Hey, I want to reward you. Thanks very much for that. And giving some bonuses in this example. But whatever it is that you're trying to explain or message you're trying to get out of there, that sort of thing. And that's it. So that is a very simple 2-page explainer funnel, if you like. It's an explainer page, a tutorial page, tutorial funnel. So that's on. That's my tip on creating how-to videos. Now, if you do this for yourself, your own business, of course, but you might go out for clients and put these together for your clients' businesses on how to use a product or a piece of software or whatever it is that they're selling, might want to how to use, and that's just going to build sort of value and credibility into for your customers as well. So that's that one. Go ahead and do that. I'll leave a link if you want a copy of that just to sort of see it better. I'll just leave a link in this video, and you can go through and even if you wanted a copy of that, you can get a copy of that for yourself. So that's very easy. But that's just another way to start your little side hustle. So hopefully you're already onto it. Hopefully you've already gone down, written your 10 as per the instructions, and you're narrowing it down to one that you can start. So be sure to let me know in the comments too. Give it a like. Let me know how you're going and what you're going to be choosing as well. So good on you. If if you are looking at starting your side hustle in 2020, this is definitely the book I recommend to get started. It's by legendary marketer Russell Brunson. You can get a copy of it sent to you. You just need to pay the shipping costs and we'll send it out. I'll leave a link down below. Be sure to go through and get a copy of that to get started. It's well worth it.